And as you remember, we had an issue with our app.tsx file that whenever I run the test here, I will get an error regarding the Axios, and it says that cannot import. And the reason behind is that actually we are using ES module syntax in this project, but uh, create React app by default has been configured to a common JS module format, and this creates the problem. And to order to solve this issue, I want to migrate the project from create React app to Vite. And Vite is a tool that the API is exactly similar like Jest, and we can run it for building our app and also running the test. So let us go and upgrade our project to use Vite. First, I'm going to remove React scripts, and then I'm going to add --dev Vite. So I'm installing Vite as a dev dependency with yarn. And after that, we need to create a config file for the Vite. So I'm going and create a file, and I will call it vite.config.ts. And I'm going to put this value here. So we are importing React define config, and we are going to also import the React plugin. And for here, we also need to install Vite.js plugin React. So I will also go to the terminal, and we will go yarn add Vite.js/plugin React. Now we also have this dependency, and let us go to our package.json file, and also let us update our dependencies. So I will replace the build with, instead of React script, we will use Vite build, and instead of test, we will also use Vitest, and I will remove the eject script, and for the start I will just write Vite. Vite also needs to have one index.html file inside the root of the project. So let us go and create an index.html file, and let us put this value, this HTML inside that. And I will also go and call this app.tsx file, because inside our SLC we have app.tsx file. So let us go to terminal, and let us add Vite run inside our package JSON and start. And now Vite is running, so let us see the 5173. Use -- host to expect. So let us also add the -- host here. And Vite run. This is yarn start. And now we can see our app. And because I don't have our Node.js is running, so we also need to run our backend. Let us also go to a terminal, and let us go to server app, and let us run our server. And now I'm going and refresh the page, so I should also be able to see the project. Actually, this is a mistake. I should have given to index.html our index.tsx file, not our app. So let us rename it, and perfect. Now we have this, and because the port of the project has been changed. Previously we again see the CORS issue. So let us change the Vite configuration to run the port of the 3000. And to do that, I'm going to vite.configuration and here I will add a parameter server, and for the port I will go with 3000. So let us go and return and 3000. Okay, perfect. Now we have our app and we are using Vite for running our application.